Okay, we're going to look at subtraction of mixed numbers in two different ways. The one way we're not going to look at is we're not going to convert it into an improper fraction. Just because I find when numbers get bigger, that can get you in trouble because you make a careless error in the beginning and you don't realize you made it. So let's look at the two ways we're going to look at it. So no matter either way, we have to have a common denominator. So we know that 3 times 4 is 12. And we know 1/3 is equivalent to 4 twelves. We know 3/4 is equivalent to 9 twelves. So what we can do, we can say that, okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 twelves minus 9 twelves is negative 5 twelves. And then what's 3 minus 5 twelves? This is the same way we talked about with whole numbers and subtraction. So this would be 2n 7 twelves. Now the other way we could do it is when we get to our 4 twelves, so we still do the same thing. What you can do with this 5, we know that 5 is the same as 4 plus 1. We also know that 1 in this situation is 12 twelves. So we could say that 12 twelves plus 4 twelves is 16 twelves. So there's going to be our 7 twelves. 16 minus 9 is 7 twelves. And then we have 4 minus 2, which is going to be our 2 and 7 twelves. So we have either way we can solve it. We can either allow ourselves to work with a negative, and then we say, okay, 3 lose 5 twelves. It'd be like 3 brownies, somebody ate 5 twelves, what do I have left? 2 and 7 twelves. Or we can say, well, we know 5 is the same as 4 plus 1. We can turn 1 into 12 twelves, because 12 twelves is 12 divided by 12, which is the same as 1. So we know 12 plus 4 is 16 twelves. 16 twelves minus 9 twelves is 7 twelves, but we still have to go back and subtract the 4 we had left over minus the 2 to give us our 2. So either way, you're going to have 2 and 7 twelfths. It's really where you feel more comfortable.